As you can see, this is a pretty good sized ant mound. They built this mound here because this is an area that has not been disturbed. We did disturb them for about 3 days, and as you can see, so they have moved on to somewhere else where we don't want them. After we disturbed the ants in the other location, they moved to a new location. And guess what? They're in a spot we don't want them there either. So we're going to disturb this mound as well, and hopefully they'll move somewhere else. As you're getting them to move, and if you're using a shovel or a rake, whatever the case may be, make sure that the ants are not running up the pole, because that will hurt if they sting you. This is a good way to get those ants to move without having to use a chemical. Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.